Motion graphic templates play a very important role in Adobe's workflow, and the new version makes them even more powerful. Let's have a closer look at the new release. Hey, my name is Piotr Toczyński, you can call me Peter. Cut to the Point channel is all about mastering film editing, about streamlining the editing process so you know what's the point of every cut you make in the story you want to tell. This is the third out of 5 videos about the new release of Premiere Pro and After Effects for video editors. Be sure to check out the first 2 videos as well, and there will be a link to the next one at the end of this video. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, they introduced the ability to group parameters in your motion graphic templates. It's especially important for complicated templates. For example, you can easily group the parameters that are rarely modified and close this group so that editor doesn't see them. And if he needs to tweak these parameters for some reason, he can just open the group and it's all there. It's that simple. The second big difference is the ability to enable font customization, including font selection, font size, and style for the titles in your motion graphic templates. When you're creating your template, you just need to click Edit Properties and check all 3 checkboxes. This is really big deal. I bet that if you have ever used these templates in Premiere Pro, you have wished there was a way to control titles in this manner. You can now feed your templates from a spreadsheet file, which is especially important if you're working on a big project. Let's say it's a documentary with a dozen of people that will need a lower third, or the corporate video with animated graphics about each sector of the operation for the company. How often you need to wait for a client to provide you with data for these graphics. Now you can simply connect your template to a spreadsheet and send it over to people to fill it out. When they do, you just need to reconnect it with final spreadsheet and that's it. Motion graphics will update automatically based on the replaced spreadsheet file. To connect the template to the spreadsheet, you simply browse for the file or drag and drop to that area. Then you can circle between rows of the spreadsheet, which will change the data input. You can also unmap the data for any column, which will remove the link between spreadsheet and template for this column. Will you use spreadsheet in your projects? Let me know in the comment section, let's have a discussion there, I'll reply to every comment. Once again, this is the third out of 5 videos about 2019 release, so keep watching. There are a lot of links in the description you may want to check out, including the link to Premiere Pro product page. Please subscribe if you're serious about video editing and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos. And if you want to get notified about them to your inbox, you can join my mailing list. You will also get a package of bonuses after you join. It was Peter, until the next time, shoot and edit like there is no tomorrow.